Guys, I'm excited to announce ang bagong product natin dito sa Sax Shop Manila. So actually, it's a collab between Sax Center Philippines and Sax Shop Manila. I-message nyo lang kami sa aming page for exclusive Sax demo and sound test. Also, makaka-avail din kayo ng special freebies and discount dito sa aming shop. So message us, Sax Shop Manila. So unbox na natin. Excited na kayo? This model is R62 Gold, 40,000. This is R62 Black and Gold, 50,000. This is Super Bell 20 Satin Gold, 75,000. This is Super Bell 20 Black Nickel, 85,000. Open na pala yung Saxophone Shop Manila na nasa loob ng aming coffee shop. So may mga mouthpiece, may mga soprano, alto, tenor, and also coffee shop. So pwede kayo mag-relax dito.